Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start with 100 g dried ginseng root, sliced thinly to increase surface area. Use 500 ml carrier oil for a 1:5 ratio with ginseng. Choose a neutral oil like sunflower or jojoba for stability and gentle scent. Clean a glass jar and sterilize it with hot water before use. Measure ingredients accurately on a kitchen scale to ensure consistent potency. Work on a clean workspace to prevent contamination and preserve oil quality. Place the sliced ginseng and oil together in a wide glass jar for even heating. Seal the jar and set it in a water bath at 60 degrees C for 4 hours to gently extract compounds. Maintain a steady, gentle heat and stir the oil every 30 minutes for consistent infusion. After 4 hours, remove the jar and allow it to cool to room temperature slowly. Cooling prevents thermal shock and preserves delicate ginsenosides in the oil. Strain the cooled ginseng oil through fine muslin or a 200-micron filter into a clean amber bottle. Press the solids gently to extract remaining oil, then discard the plant material responsibly. Store the oil at about 20 degrees C in a dark place away from direct light for best shelf life. Label the bottle with date and ratio used so you can track potency over time. Use within 12 months and perform a small patch test before broad topical application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.